This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Jennifer Akiko Yamada. One or more photos has been virtually staged. Oversized one-bedroom condo with water view and large laundry room in Gated Las Palmas, Sarasota's best-kept secret. Welcome to Las Palmas, one of Sarasota's most desirable gated communities, where resort-style amenities meet everyday convenience. This spacious one-bedroom, one-bath condo is a rare find, offering generous square footage, a large laundry room, and a private screened-in balcony with spectacular water views. Inside, you'll find an open and airy layout with a bright living and dining space, perfect for entertaining or relaxing. The oversized bedroom includes a walk-in closet and multiple storage options throughout the unit. You'll never run out of space. The kitchen features ample cabinetry and a breakfast bar that seamlessly connects to the living area. One standout feature is the dedicated, full-size laundry room, offering additional storage and space, a luxury rarely found in one-bedroom units. Step outside to your own private oasis, a screened-in balcony overlooking a tranquil lake, where you can enjoy your morning coffee or evening sunset in total peace. Highlights: expansive one-bedroom layout with abundant closet space. Large in-unit laundry room with full-size washer and dryer. Private screened balcony with spectacular water view. Bright, open-concept living and dining areas. Spacious bathroom with generous vanity. Secure, gated community with 24/7 access control. Las Palmas resort-style amenities. 2 resort-style swimming pools. Clubhouse with lounge and full kitchen. Tennis courts and fitness center. Business center. Car wash station. Scenic walking paths and lakeside trails. Unbeatable Sarasota location. Situated just minutes from UTC Mall, I-75, Sarasota Airport, Whole Foods, Benderson Park, and an array of top-rated dining and golf options. Plus, you're just a short drive to Siesta Key and Lido Key beaches, making this the perfect location for work, play, or relaxation. This is a non-smoking